Dear community members, here is a COVID-19 update for Friday, September 11th. Please also be sure to check somervillema.gov/COVID-19 for information and resources that are updated frequently. Here's the latest news. The city makes $2.2 million available for rental assistance, food access, and other COVID-19 support. In response to the immense need for community assistance during the COVID-19 pandemic, the City of Somerville recently distributed more than $2.2 million of federal CARES Act funding to local nonprofits so they can help residents with necessities such as rent, food, and childcare. A total of $1.6 million will go to rental support for residents. To access housing assistance supported via this funding, contact the City's Office of Housing Stability at somervillema.gov/OHS or call 617-625-6600 extension 2581. The city will test wastewater as an early warning system for coronavirus. The city, working with Northeastern University and Stantec, has launched a community wastewater testing program to monitor for the coronavirus. Testing sewer water can provide earlier detection of increased spread of the disease. The program is designed to reveal COVID-19 hotspots up to 1 to 2 weeks earlier than testing of individuals would. Testing began last week. Up to 10 samples will be collected weekly, and locations will vary. In short, you could say Somerville is flush with new incentives. Phase 3 reopening. Certain Phase 3 businesses, including fitness clubs and gyms, were allowed to open with restrictions in Somerville on Tuesday, September 8th. All businesses seeking to open must have a city-approved health and safety plan and meet stringent COVID-19 safety requirements. The requirements, which are designed to decrease the risk of virus transmission, include all state requirements, as well as measures that exceed state standards, such as mandatory face coverings for all staff and patrons at all times. Support your neighbors through the Somerville Cares Fund or apply for assistance. Now that the additional $600 per week federal unemployment benefit has ended, more people in our community are facing financial hardship and making tough choices when it comes to paying for essentials. If you're fortunate enough to be able to, please consider making a donation to the Somerville Cares Fund. This donation-based fund gives direct assistance to Somerville residents, workers, and families to help cover basic needs like groceries, diapers, personal hygiene products, medical co-pays, and prescriptions. The community has been immensely generous, donating more than $650,000 so far. But the fund has run dry. Even a small donation will help. Here's a free, easy way to support the community. Fill out the 2020 census. The deadline to respond to the 2020 U.S. Census is just weeks away. We only have until September 30th to get everyone in Somerville counted. It just takes 10 minutes to respond online at my2020census.gov or by phone at 844-330-2020. Billions of dollars are at stake for things Somerville needs right now, like healthcare centers, housing, education, and emergency response. Our vital representation in Congress is also determined by the count. Right now, U.S. Census takers are visiting homes in Somerville to help you respond. You can call 212-882-7100 to verify a census taker's identity before opening the door. Free COVID-19 testing. CHA Somerville Hospital offers free testing at Assembly Row by appointment. To make an appointment, call 617-665-2928, Monday through Friday, 8:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. The mobile COVID-19 testing unit also offers testing in our neighborhoods to make access easier for residents. Mobile testing schedules and more information on both can be found under the Symptoms, Testing, and Medical Information tab on somervillema.gov/COVID-19. Upcoming virtual town halls. Arts and culture amid the coronavirus pandemic, 9/15. Somerville's artists and the cultural community, as well as all interested persons, are invited to join us for a virtual town hall to discuss challenges faced by the arts community that have been amplified by the COVID-19 pandemic, as well as possible solutions. The town hall will be held on Tuesday, September 15th, starting at 6:30 p.m. Details are available at somervillema.gov/news. Somerville Public Schools Reopening Town Hall, September 21st. The Somerville Public Schools and the City of Somerville will jointly host a virtual schools reopening town hall on Monday, September 21st at 5:30 p.m. Updates on safety measures and what to expect in the new school year will be provided. Details are available at somervillema.gov/news. Today's assistance tip. September is National Recovery Month. September is National Recovery Month, so we wanted to take this opportunity to remind the community about virtual recovery resources. The social distancing necessary to control the spread of COVID-19 can make it difficult for people in recovery to connect with others and access support. Support groups like Narcotics Anonymous, Smart Recovery, and the Heron Project, among others, are offering virtual recovery meetings and resources during the pandemic. We have a list of additional resources at somervillema.gov/coronavirus help. Today's public health tip. Don't forget your nose. First, a big thank you to the many residents who continue to wear face coverings in public, who practice social distancing and take other steps to help slow the spread of COVID-19. But we want to remind everyone that to be truly effective, face coverings must cover both your mouth and nose. Before heading out, take an extra second to make sure that your face covering is on correctly. It will go a long way in protecting our community. Thank you.